This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 60 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're continuing with the waist and the torso. After looking at the magazine, of course, the history of Robocop. We've got arms, computers, and action figures. Props of Robocop 3. Jetpack. Don't like the jetpack. I don't think it was necessary, but there we go. They had to do something. Flamethrower's quite cool. I like that. New multi-purpose weapon. So yes, the waist, part 5. It's just the inner waist structure. We're completing the inner waist structure. We've got the back panel to go onto there. Still not quite able to hold him in the clamp that we built last time, but there we go. We've got that there. 2 screws will hold that together onto there. I think next time we get the bit that goes over the top of that, which means I think we can support him in there. Look, because it's not quite there yet. We haven't got the light coloured bits, but we've got this bit. So not quite there, but we'll get there soon. Lely Juno robots. Ever heard of them? It pushes fodder to cattle. So yeah, it's just some sort of automated moving robot. Okay. Stuff. Neural interfaces. Yes, that's the way it's going to be, isn't it? No needs for anything for screens or controllers or anything. It will just happen because you think about it. Very, very cool. I don't know if I'm ready for it yet, but at some point it's probably going to happen. So that's that for now. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. So all we have in today's pack is a plastic piece and some screws, 2 of which we're going to be using. Third one we'll keep in the packet in case we need it for later. Always keep the spares. So that's that. We need the Roocop himself. We've got the legs and torso that we're building up, and this is where we're going to put this on the back of that bit that we've already started building up. So that locks in place like that, and there are screws to. I've still got having endless trouble with that bit now. It got broken once, and it's never gone back quite the same. The other one's fine, but yeah, that one is going to be no end of trouble. Let's try this again. Let's get that in place on there. Bit like that. Screw in over there. Nope, not going in place. I need a longer screwdriver for that. Because that's further in the hole than that screwdriver will let me get. Let's try that again. There we go. That's gone in. No, it's not. Running up. Definitely is lined up. Yeah, there we go. That feels better, I think. Yes. Let's get the other side in. Over a bit so I can see what I'm doing. Side lined up and together. That's better. Go. Where's the screw gone? There it is. There we have it. So that is that. The next part of the waist coming together. and get in there. I shall put that aside and fix that later when I've finished manipulating it for the month. But for now, we've got our waste coming along, building up stuff. Right, I'll see you for more next time. Bye bye for now.